what kind of preparations would need or should be made? You're talking about it up in northeast Arkansas or anywhere in the state, or basically in the event that we may have another large New Madrid earthquake. And certainly there's a lot of things that can be done, a lot of things that have been done and are being done. Arkansas has done a pretty good job in recent years of preparing for this kind of thing. And I know I'll leave some things out, so just keep track what I talk about. And anyways, they've been running. They recently ran an exercise. Is that correct? Was it last week?
Yeah. In fact, last week, I don't know if you saw it in the news or not. There was a exercise it's called NLE 2011. It was a national level exercise, and one of the things that they did was the whole exercise. This was a national level exercise. I mean, President Obama spoke at the same time through video conference to the governor of the surrounding states surrounding New Madrid. Not every state got to play. And I'll tell you a little bit about some of the issues, some of the obstacles to our preparedness. But again, there are national level exercises, there are regional exercises, there are all kinds of preparation and planning that's going on. One of the first things that was done about 3 years ago when I came back to the survey was the Earthquake Center, the May Center out of Illinois. They did a study on kind of helping with FEMA, conjunction with FEMA, preparing and doing a scenario for earthquake preparedness. And they started this at county level and got the counties involved, got the states involved, got the region involved, got the FEMA and all this. And so there have been lots of preparation going on. Are we there yet? No. I mean, we definitely got more preparation. But what I would say is, it starts with everyone here in the room. Preparation does, individually. I mean, it's like, okay, what I need to do to prepare myself. And, one of the things is situational awareness, whether you're in a building like we're in. Okay, what if an earthquake happens? What would you do? I would be underneath that piano before I can drop this microphone.
That's a little heavy for me. I don't know. I'd find a table.
And, but the key is you got to know where. You got to know where you're at, what you're going to do when something happens. And if it's at home, have a disaster preparedness kit. Have numbers to call. Have everybody have a predetermined plan of action. Like if you're so-and-so or you're somewhere we can't get contact with you, this is what you do. We have a pre-designated area set. I mean, in these disasters, they've quit calling them earthquake kits. They call them all hazards kits. These are the kits that can go for earthquakes, tornadoes, hurricanes, different natural disasters. So I would encourage everybody, and the thing that we learned from Katrina is, we used to say 3 days, be on your own for 3 days, probably 7 to 10 days. I mean, think about the ice storm. I mean, ice storms are really good. Think about no power, and what the effects of having no power can do. And, you can take out, if you were on well water, then you have no water to pump your water out of the well, so it means you have no water. It can impact if your community, if they run off pumps and stuff, so it can have a cascading effect. And so, again, preparation starts with you. Department of Emergency Management, that was our other speaker that was supposed to have been here. She has a great website. There's a lot of things on there that show you and talked about how to preparedness. Real quickly, as far as the complexity of it, the New Madrid has 8 states that surround it, so 8 different, governors, different entities. With that, there are 4 FEMA regions also. So coordinating that all together is a very monstrous task because communicating with one another. And so we found some good things we did last week, and then there's some things that we need improvement on. But definitely it is on the mind of everybody. And this young lady here has been